Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Update your system and install Snap Plus Core build tools because they prevent missing dependency errors. Once done, choose Visual Studio Code for native Ubuntu use or prepare to use remote development if you need full Visual Studio features. Make sure to enable the Universe repository and install libsl and Build Essential. These ensure extensions and compilers work. This first phase eliminates friction, so later steps focus on configuration and debugging, not chasing missing packages. Now configure the editor and extensions so development flows smoothly. Install VS Code with Snap or Deb and then add language and remote extensions to match your stack. Once extensions are present, configure Git and generate SSH keys so cloning and remote work won't block you. Make sure to set your default shell and adjust integrated terminal profiles because consistent terminals reduce context switching. Finally, open a sample project, attach the debugger, and test a build to verify compilers and launch configurations behave as expected. Finish by creating launch and task configurations so runs are repeatable. Once done, save them in a workspace to share settings across machines. Then run full tests. Compile, debug, and use IntelliSense to confirm language servers and path entries are correct. If something breaks, inspect logs via the developer tools, disable or reinstall the problematic extension, and reset settings. JSON as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. When extensions misbehave, disable all and re-enable incrementally to isolate the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.